What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about it's official now, the Realme GT and also the Realme Smartwatch 2. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. We are going to take a look at all the aspects of the Realme GT and whether you should consider buying this phone. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So starting off with the specification of the Realme GT 5G, then it's going to come with a 3D Gorilla Glass on the and also the accelerated track pattern, which has also been seen on the Realme GT vegan yellow color option, and it will be a vegan leather, and the phone is lightweight at only 186 grams and it's thin at 8.4 mm of thickness. The phone also retains an headphone jack and a 6.5-inch of screen, which will give you a high refresh rate of 120 Hz and also the 360 Hz of touch sampling rate. The phone also has a 4096 levels of auto brightness level, and it is also having a stereo speaker setup and a 3.5 mm headphone jack, as I said. The triple camera setup of a 64 megapixel primary camera and the ultra wide camera, and also there's a third camera which is the macro camera. On the powerhouse side, the phone comes with the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G processor, and it's a 5G processor, and it will also support not only one or the two 5G bands, but it will be having more than two 5G bands. The LPDDR5 RAM supports with the UFS 3.1 storage makes the phone even faster when compared to the other smartphones in this market, and also it will be coming with a dedicated GT modes to enhance the power of the Realme GT. On the performance of the battery and the charging speeds, as I mentioned earlier, also the phone is going to come with a 4500 mAh of battery, and it's with a 65 watt of super dart fast charge, which will charge your Realme GT at only at 35 minutes from 0 to 100. So these were the specifications of the Realme GT, and what do you think about this phone when I'm going to tell you about the price of this phone? On the AliExpress, the phone is available right now for 32,000 rupees, which converts it as one of the cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 smartphone with the likes of the Mi 11X Pro and the iQOO 7 Legend. Though the prices of the Realme GT is not being official on the Realme website, but the AliExpress is also one of the early partners of the Realme, so we can expect the price to be pretty accurate or the closer one. So what do you think about this smartphone? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Right now, for the pre-booking offers in India, there is no pre-booking offers on the Realme GT, but in the international market in Europe, there are some pretty good pre-booking offers on this Realme GT, and it can give you up to $80 off or the 80 euros on the European market for the 8 plus 128 variant of this phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.